Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You are already in editing mode if the cell shows a caret and the formula bar is active. Act now. Press ESC to cancel your edits instantly. This reverts the cell to its prior value. Once done, you can press F2 to re-enter editing or use Enter to accept changes when you mean to save them. Make sure to watch the formula bar and cell outline so you don't confuse cancel with commit. Use ESC first when unsure. Once you know ESC cancels, learn the context differences so you use the right method. If you press Enter or Tab, you commit the change and move selection. Click outside the cell or use the formula bar to finish editing with the mouse. If you accidentally saved, press Ctrl+Z immediately to undo the change. Also, make sure to recognize protected sheets or data validation prompts. Those can prevent both edits and cancellations and will show an alert you must address. Finish by confirming the cell reverted and the formula bar shows the original content. Check the status bar for ready. If you committed a change, use Ctrl+Z to revert immediately. If the sheet seems unresponsive while editing, press ESC once, then try saving and restarting Excel. Also disable add-ins if freezes recur. Make sure to inspect cell format and validation after canceling edits. Sometimes formatting masks the original value. If issues persist, restart Excel to clear transient locks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.